This is Living Hope Mixed Farm Uganda. Welcome and welcome back. As you can see, this is our local tool. We are doing land preparation for planting Irish potatoes. You can see we are cutting down some. This is the super napier. This one we use for feeding our cattle and our goats. Therefore, as we do mixed farming, part of the land we are now cutting and we are preparing it for planting Irish potatoes. So stick with us. As I said, this is our farmland. That side we are going to do cassava, and we are going to do intercropping of cassava and soybeans because they support one another. Especially soybeans will support cassava by providing organic manure through the leaves and through the root nodules. And this side, the other side, the other place there, you can see we have our super napier growing there. And then this side we have our chicken coops. The chicken houses are here. We do chicken, we do broilers, we do local chicken, we do rainbow roosters, we do other chicken. And then you see our goats are this side. These are our goats pen. And then we have our cows the other side, and behind the cows we have our passion fruits plantation. So as you can see, we are in a mixed farm, and even next to our chicken pen there, we have planted some grass and there are some maize already growing. So we are here happily and we are doing our mixed farming. Please subscribe to our channel and be able to follow us up. We are doing a step-by-step guide and we are doing it practically with some research. We want to make these Irish potatoes organic. You can see the other side, we want to have genets. We want to grow genets that side. So we are going to cut our soil. We are going to open the soil. We shall plant our Irish potatoes. We shall apply manure. We shall weed manually. We are not going to apply chemicals in weeding. We shall weed manually, and after weeding manually, we shall also be able to harvest, store, and sell. All this we shall keep posting onto our YouTube channel. Therefore, please subscribe and be able to follow us up. Thank you for watching and remain at Living Hope Mixed Farm. So as you can see, this is our land preparation. This is mulatto 2 grass. This is the now which we are cutting it down because we want to plant our Irish potatoes here. So we are cutting this mulatto 2 down, but we have a plantation for our mulatto 2, which we do hay, and part of it we do rotational grazing for our goats and cattle. Therefore, in this farm, as I said, we do mixed farming. You see, we are doing our land preparation. We are doing it ourselves using local oils, and this is going to be done organically. We shall use organic fertilizers and we shall weed it manually. We are not going to use any chemicals. So as you can see, we are doing the cutting of the grass. We are planting. We shall do planting. Follow us, subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and then also give your comments and like our videos. Thank you. This is our organic manure. This is from goat's droppings. You can see they are fully mature. We are going to apply into our Irish potatoes at planting. So this is already mature. As I said, we are going to have organic Irish potato. So we are learning a lot, and we are going to have one of the best and nutritious Irish potato. You can see our manure is already mature. This is our manure field. They are from our goats. You see our goats here? The goats are here. So we get their droppings. Even the cows are there. We get their droppings. can see our goats are there. Then we heap the droppings here, and they mature here organically. So we are going to apply this into our Irish potatoes. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe so that you are able to get our updates. Turn on your notification bell, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and give your comments. These are our goats. This is their shade where they rest. You can see some are there resting. And this is our organic manure. Thank you so much.